Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good morning from Limassol, Cyprus. Today I'm going to try and be a little cheaper than usual because yesterday I had that $14 hamburger, delicious hamburger, huge hamburger, but $14. I'm gonna try to find somewhere half that price, maybe, here in Limassol, Cyprus. If you're curious what Limassol, Cyprus looks like, here you go. There's some parade or march or something going on up here. Protest. So I got the meatball marinara on the wheat bread with jalapenos, ranch, and chipotle sauce. And a Pepsi. Show you a little bit more of Limassol than just that tourist shop. Well, not really tourist, but a bunch of shops are on that street that I was on. Now I'm on some back road, back street. It kind of reminds me of Costa Rica in this little area. I don't think I'll go in. I don't think I'm gonna go in, but it looks nice. Welcome to Limassol, Cyprus. There is this really cute cat right up here. Oh my God, he's handsome. Oh my God. You're handsome. Where you going? No luck. But he is cute. I think I'll make this my intro. Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Welcome to Limassol, Cyprus. Let's go see what all I can see, discover, find, whatever, all that good stuff here in Limassol, Cyprus. Right now, you see me in an alley here in Limassol, Cyprus. And now I am on the Mediterranean here in Limassol, Cyprus. It does have a Costa Rica vibe to it though here in Cyprus. Like with this building right here. And this building too. Has that post-colonial feel here. Well, I'm about to head back to my hostel and work on some videos because, well, my GoPro memory card is getting full and if it's full, you know what? I can't keep recording videos. Can't keep making videos. I gotta hurry up and edit them, get them off my GoPro, and yeah. But first, I'm gonna get me a Coca-Cola from this place so I can concentrate with the Coke. Hello.
Hello. 85
Thank you.
Thank you.
Also, I got these postcards for my family. I didn't get to get a postcard in Israel because I left 5 days early, but yes, I do think this graffiti, or yeah, this graffiti is ugly. Yes, I do. If I'm gonna complain about it in Milan, Italy, I will complain about it in Limassol, Cyprus. But it's not all over the fucking city like in Milan, so. But I doubt Cyprus has many gangs, if any. But yeah, I'm heading back to my hostel now. I'm gonna work on some videos, clear out this GoPro memory card, and yeah. Also, future travel plans. I'm no longer going to Paris, France. I'm going to go to Krakow, Poland instead, because for the price of a really nice hotel, not hostel, hotel in Krakow, Poland, it costs the same as a piece of shit 12-bed hostel in Paris. So, and you can get a really nice hostel in Krakow for like $5-6. So after Limassol, Cyprus, I am going to head to Dusseldorf, Germany. This is my hostel. This is my hostel. I'm gonna head to Dusseldorf, Germany, and then from Dusseldorf, I think I'm gonna go straight to Krakow. Maybe I might stop in like Berlin or Dresden or something in between, because it's like a 16-hour bus ride. All right, see y'all in a few. So earlier today on my walk here in Limassol, Cyprus, I stumbled upon this place that was serving halloumi. It's like this Greek style cheese. It's really, really good. I had it in Glasgow and in London, so I'm gonna go over there and eat it here, where, well, basically this is a Greek island, but it's a country because I guess Turkey wants it as well. So I'm sure if Greece had full ownership of Cyprus, I'm sure it would just be another Greek island like Crete. So let's head over there. And here is my halloumi sandwich. It's kind of like a wrap or a burrito, but it looks really, really good. That is good. That was really good, and it was only €4. €1 less than what Subway costed earlier. So this could be my cheap eat place here in Limassol, Cyprus. So cheers from Limassol, Cyprus. Definitely come here instead of Subway if you're trying to eat cheap here in Limassol, Cyprus. Dama's Gate. Now this is street art. This looks pretty cool. I believe that's Edgar Allan Poe, maybe. Well, I'm going to call it the end of this video. As for tomorrow, I'm going to take my second break from YouTubing because I kind of don't want to have a camera stuck in my face all day. Because people look at me weird here. Really weird. Very, very weird here. They act like they've never seen somebody with a GoPro before. Okay, so there will not be no video tomorrow. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up.